Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and expert coaching with guaranteed success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to solve problem number 5, practical problem number 5 on page number 342. Now see, Sucheta Company Limited issued rupees 20 lakhs new capital divided into rupees 100 each equity shares at a premium of rupees 20 per share payable as rupees 10 on application, rupees 40 on allotment and rupees 10 premium, rupees 50 on final call and rupees 10 premium. The shares was subscribed to the extent of 26,000 equity shares. The applicants of 2,000 shares were sent letter of regret and their application money was refunded. Remaining applicants were allotted shares on pro rata basis. All the money due on allotment and final calls was duly received. Make necessary journal entries in the books of Sucheta Company Limited. Okay, now we'll see the working. See, working note. Total capital was how much as per the problem? 20 lakhs. And the value of, nominal value of share was how much? 100 rupees. So, the equity share capital is how much? 20,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. So, number of shares? 20,000 shares of rupees 100 each. With a premium of rupees 20, that is 120 each share. Now see what they have said. There was oversubscription. Okay, we have issued 20,000, but in the market we received application for how much? 26,000. So how much is oversubscription? By 6,000 shares. 6,000 shares are oversubscribed. Now see, 6,000, 2,000 shares were refunded. They were sent a letter of regret, these 2,000 shareholders, and their money was refunded. And remaining 4,000 were adjusted in the pro rata basis. See, pro rata basis, how it is to be adjusted? See, it is 24,000 is to 20,000. See the ratio, 4 6 the 24, 4 5 the 20. Those who demanded 6 shares were given only 5 shares on pro rata basis. This is the way they do the subdivision when the shares are oversubscribed. Okay. So I hope this you have understood. First we'll take out the ratio, and those who demanded 6 shares will be given 5 shares. Okay, so that each and every applicant will get the share. Now see how the money is called. Application money 10 rupees. Allotment money total 50, that is 40 for share and 10 for premium. Final call 50 for share and 10 premium. If you total up here, it comes to 100 and premium 20. In the here we have said 20 rupees as premium. Okay, so this comes to 120. I hope this working you have understood very well. Now we will see the journal entries in the books of Sucheta Company Limited. The very first entry. See, 20,000 were shares, but now we have received the application for 26,000. So bank account debit 26,000 into rupees 10 was called on application. So it comes to 2,60,000. To equity share application 2,60,000. Being application money received. Now this application money will be transferred to equity share capital. But in this sum, what has happened? It was oversubscribed by 6,000. Then 2,000 shareholders, we had given them, we had sent them a regret letter and we had paid them. And the rest 4,000 we had shared in the pro rata basis. That I had shown you the working. That was if 6 shares were asked by the subscriber, only 5 will be issued to him or her. So see, equity share application account debit, the amount will be same, 2,60,000. To equity share capital, how 2 lakhs? Because here 20,000 into rupees 10 will come. Okay, so 2 lakhs. Now to bank, these 2,000 shareholders, they were sent a letter of regret and their amount was refunded. So 2,000 into rupees 10, 20,000. And these 4,000 shareholders, they were adjusted in allotment. So to equity share allotment account, 40,000. If you total up this side, will come to 2,60,000. So debit and credit will be same. See, narration, being 20,000 equity shareholders transferred to equity share capital, 2,000 holders were refunded and 4,000 adjusted through allotment. This is very, very important journal entry. Now third, see, allotment money of rupees 50 was called, means 40 for share capital and 10 for premium. Okay. So see, 20,000 into 50 will come to 10 lakhs. To equity share capital, how much? 20,000 into 40, 8 lakhs. Then share premium, 20,000 into 10, 2 lakhs. Being allotment money on 2,000 at 50 each, rupees 10 premium including. Okay, including premium. Now this money will be received. Okay. See now what bank account debit. How much money was called? 10 lakhs was called. Minus 40,000. Why? Because they have already had their surplus. So how much it will come to? 9,60,000. 9,60,000. Is it clear? So to bank account debit 9,60,000, to share allotment account 9,60,000. Is it clear? Being share allotment money received after adjusting excess amount. What was the amount called? 10 lakhs. Already allotment shows of 40,000. Okay. So see here debit allotment shows 10 lakhs. Here if you total up both this allotment of 40 and this of 9,60,000, both will be equal. Okay. So being excess money received after adjusting excess amount. I hope this journal entry you have understood. Now fifth and final, means first and final call was made. After allotment, first and final call was made. See, 20,000 into rupees 60. This also includes 10 rupees premium, share premium. So what? Equity share first and final call account debit 12 lakhs. To equity share capital 20,000 into 50 will be 10 lakhs. To share premium 20,000 into 10 will be 2 lakhs. Okay, being amount due on first and final call. This is the amount due on first and final call. Now we have received this amount. So bank account debit 12 lakhs to equity share first and final call account 12 lakhs. Being amount received on first and final call. Is it understood? This was the combined entry for refund and adjustment of allotment money. Here allotment was due. Here we have received the allotment money, but how much we have received? Actually 10 lakhs were due, but already we had deposited into equity allotment 40,000, means 10 lakh minus 40, it will come to 9 lakh 60,000. To equity share allotment 9 lakh 60,000. I hope this you have understood well.